Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be working on the Mercedes Benz GL 450. We're gonna be replacing the hood release handle. It is on the driver's side and this is the hood latch. It's loose and the plastic is not holding it anymore. I'm gonna show you guys the best way to fix this. First, we're gonna use a T20 to remove these 3 screws and remove the panel. Once you remove these screws, you'll be able to lower the panel and pull it out. Pull everything down and pull the panel. Then squeeze the handle and push it out of the hole here. Get the handle out of the hole here, and then look for the connectors and disconnect the connectors. Just pull it apart. Here again, this is another connector. You squeeze the 2 little plastic in the back, disconnect the connector. This is another connector here. Squeeze here and pull the connector out. Once you disconnect all the connectors, you will be able to remove the panel. New panel, it comes with a new latch, and this is the old one. I'm gonna move everything here from the old panel to the new one. This is the new one. This is the part number. This is for a 2009 Mercedes Benz GL 450. We're gonna remove this from the old one. We're gonna have press here and then pull this out. And then we're gonna place it into the new one by sliding it into the new part until it clicked. The next thing we're gonna move is the diagnostic connector. We're gonna place it into the new one. This is the location of the OBD connector. You flip the panel and then you have to hold the connector and push it inside the hole. But one thing is, the longest section of the connector should be facing the white insulation. Just put it in front of the hole and push it in. Now we're gonna remove the wire from the handle so we can install the new handle. We're gonna use a flat screwdriver and push the wire toward the slot here, and then use the flat screwdriver to pull it out. Once you remove it from the handle here, you take it out and you slide it out of the slot. This is the new handle, and what we're gonna do is put the wire back into the slot here and then push it all the way in, pull it, hold it in place, move the handle so this wire can fall into this slot, and then you push it in. So now I'm gonna get the panel and screw the new one into the panel. Now we're gonna connect all the connectors. We're gonna put the sensor connector back here, push it until it clicks. This one is for the lamp, push it until it clicks. This is the OBD connector. Now we're gonna put the handle back. What we're gonna have to do is like slide it in and then put the screw back in. Put it in position here and then put the screw. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.